It's absolutely incredible to see a female in, at least from my perspective, an industry that tends to be very male dominated. I'm personally very interested in the STEM field, so this is like already very inspiring, Rhonda. You have a trailblazing role model for women in the manufacturing industry. And I'm curious to know, how did you get started in this sector?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I live in Peterborough, Ontario, and Peterborough is a legacy manufacturing town. So when I grew up, when I was a child, all the best jobs were in manufacturing. So young people really aspired to work for those big factories. By the time I was ready to launch into my own career, I really didn't know how to penetrate that. And in fact, some of the big companies had left, and there was a lot of new companies popping up. And I got my first job in a spin-off company called Spectrum Engineering. And they were a spin-off from GE employees, and they were a consulting engineering firm. And I started in the accounting office on a contract. And I had a Bachelor of Science in Mathematics and Computer Science. And I was very much underutilizing the capabilities that I had, but I took the job that was available. And one of the big things I talk about is sponsorship. So within that organization, people saw in me the ability to do more. So that was my first real experience with sponsorship and being elevated in an organization. So